Hello everyone, this is Dor here again with another episode of Fountain of Youth. And today what I wanted to talk to you about is face exercise, because I don't know, look at my face today, they look kind of dull or something. Maybe you feel that too sometimes. It's like your face today are a little bit like this, and you're starting to see more of all these lines and wrinkles coming up. And that's something that I actually do that for many years, this face exercise or something like that, and I'm going to show you today how it looks like. And before that, I'm just going to say the benefits of it. So the first thing, it's like moving all the blood and muscles around your face. Then maybe later someday you won't need the Botox. But I don't know, maybe you will. So and also it's like just to be more expressive, to look more alive. You know, they say that 90% of communication is non-verbal communication, but we don't really get to explore what is this 90%. So a big part of this 90% is in the face. So because I work with people and I do, you know, I see a lot in the face, like in the face expressions. So you wanna do something with the face that, you know, we're used to be in front of the computer all day, like this, the sun. Maybe we haven't seen a lot of sun, and our face is kind of like dull. Oh, it's also something random that you can do to break out of your box. So one of the things that make us the most ugly is when we are just stuck in our box, and people can see that on our face, or they can see it around us in our energy even. So I'm here in this boardwalk here in Tel Aviv, you know, my usual clinic, and I want to just like break a little bit out of this box of my behavior. I love that guy. This guy goes around Tel Aviv with his bike, and he has this huge speaker, and all he does is like this movement is like doing it's like singing the song without singing, like lip, I don't know how to say, lip something, the song, and he's just like being so expressive with his face, like about the song, and it's so amazing, it's so alive to see him. So he actually, I'm happy we saw him in the video. Okay, let's start with the face exercise. So the first thing I do is like this to the eyes, like I'm working on those muscles here and here. So I do a lot of like this in the mirror, and really it helps you to get out of your box if you do it in like a funny way, like so you can start moving all over your face like this, your eyes, the side of your eyes. You see how I'm working on these muscles? I don't know, a lot of people say that I look younger than my age. I'm 35, and I think a big part of it is that I'm doing that for many years, like these kind of things. And then the muscle in my face, they don't crystallize in the same way. They don't become solid in the same way. So I think it helps for wrinkles, but I'm not a doctor for it. So you do like this, just get all the muscles in your face, and immediately it calls my body, makes me want to start moving my shoulders and everything. But next episode I'm going to do about my workout, or the way I use my muscles, that I use my body. So next time it's going to be about the body, but this time it's just going to be the face. So doing all of that, your chin, really going one by one for every part of your face, and try to change it. And maybe some parts in the beginning you won't be able to move, and then later it's like, oh, I can do that. It's like muscles that you haven't worked out all your life. So think about it, it's like 60% of your communication is coming just from your people looking at your face, scanning your face and getting all these signals, but you don't really work out that muscles. You only work out the guns, but this is more important. So let's keep going. Like, go like this. The famous lip roll. It's also help your throat and your diaphragm, or whatever you call it, to warm up your voice. You do all of that, shake your body, your neck. This is big. This thing. Work out those muscles so you don't have the turkey neck. And after we did it for a while, hello! Much more expressive. The muscles are working in your face. You look great, you look awesome. You're going outside and you're kicking ass. All right, hope you enjoyed this one. See you in the next episode. Ciao.